Voltage Group is the most reliable provider of renewable energy all over Ukraine. We design and build solar power plants and biogas complexes. Our team of experts can suggest a unique set of technical, financial, and legal decisions in order to achieve the best outcome from any energy project investment. From the company who is able to install electrical networks, today we have become the company which is persuading investors to invest millions of dollars into business projects successfully. Now we are capable of developing the entire project from start to finish, as we have gained credible experience from project implementation in all aspects, not just the technical side. We're able to implement and pass all the necessary regulatory requirements needed in power supply companies, NCIE and guaranteed buyer. It means that we lead the project to the beginning of the investment reimbursement, as we know this is very important for investors. Collaboration with the Voltage Group is the most optimum option for work performance and the best way to ensure maximum productivity. The international experience of our top management team, the exceptional operative performance of our design department, the professionalism of our team of construction engineers and corporate operational department ensures a stable cash flow of every investment project of any complexity. We understand that to move forward we have to be comprehensive primarily to the investor, and I can say that we perform 95% of the necessary work expected by the investor to make the project implementation easier. I only leave the remaining 5% of work that the investor has to carry out for them to complete at home. Things like searching and cooperating with financial partners to commence with the project. By developing solar power engineering, we take care of the public and increase the living standards of Ukrainians, as well as increasing the amount of clean energy all over the world. Invest with the reliable and cohesive team at Voltage Group into the highly cost-effective projects of renewable energy.